What's up, guys? Here on a video vlog with my boy Steven. Your Aurora's right there. We're on our way to CarMax in a few to get his vehicle appraised. Funny thing that I used to work there. I'm gonna see who's gonna help us out with that. He got a 2004. Yeah, 2004 TSX. It's slammed. They got suspension. He just wasted a whole bunch of money on it. Let's see how much he's gonna offer, because this guy wants to buy a Jeep now.
It's a piece of shit.
He wants to buy a Jeep. So let's go on this. Let's go check out the car, and we'll check on you guys soon. So I got my little companion with me. She's gonna be coming with us to CarMax. She's happy. Steven's taking his last walk to his car. There she is. Look at her. They're parked together. Yo, you got your title with you? If you gotta sell it, you need your title. Is rebuilt, salvage? What is it? It's inbound. It's bound. Aurora, you like the day? It's a nice day outside. Nice day to record. Yo, you should get a Geo, bro. I can see you in that. So here's his TSX. Damn, this shit is low. Damn, bro, why you gonna sell this? Keep this. Just fix it up. Damn, what happened with it? What the fuck? This nigga said, hold on, I'm a carpenter.
Nah, because when the ball joint broke, I was pissed. And I had to like exclude the roof from the inside. I was pissed and I just fucking ripped it out.
Hey,
the whole inside. It's
unique though. Thing is on the floor. How many oil pans you broke already?
None.
Yo, I remember these. I was gonna use that for the other TSX, but the shit was too short, so he ended up getting them. Then I took his speakers and I ended up not installing it in the car. Now he needs, yo, rate reduction. You know, two holes. Want
a base box?
Oh, I want a base box. Hey, I'll put that in the whip right now.
For salesies.
Not for salies, for freeze. For freezies. So we're gonna go right now. Here's a CRV. We're gonna go right now to CarMax, and we'll be back soon. Just got here to CarMax. We're gonna be appraising a piece of shit Acura TSX with 200 and something thousand miles. Here's my other boy Nate. What's good, bro?
What's going on, brother?
So Steven, is gonna appraise his piece of shit car. So it's next to my nice car. It's gonna be looking nicer than his. Hey, at least mine does not drilled in with fucking screws on the fender. Improvised, nigga. The fuck is that black line? Nigga said he was shooting rear thing on that shit. This is the car, Josh.
Right. Sounds good. You got one or two?
Two.
I got one. Thank you.
So right now they're gonna do this. Oh, you can see it has a couple screws on the fender with weight reduction.
Any accidents?
Like 7. Frame damage, salvage, rebuilt. Yo, my boy's gonna be on the commercials. Like, yo, I'm congrats on that. My boy gonna be famous. No more pole dancing for him.
Is finance owned outright? You have a title?
He owes me like $100 on it.
When you get that check, you know what you're going to do.
That check is my money right there. So we go inside. We're gonna do this process. I know you can't record inside, so here's CarMax. Let's see what offer we get for his vehicle on this nice, beautiful day. Aurora, you happy? You out? Yeah, she's having fun. I'll check in with you guys in a few. So right now they're doing the appraisal process. We out here on the lot. This is a lot where I used to sell all my cars at. We're on our way to find his Jeep we transferred in. Right, mommy? And she's loving this day. It's mad nice. Thank God. The weather's getting nice. Yo, he's gonna buy a $50,000 car at night at 24%, paying $1,000. His birthday. Henny boys. We're gonna drink some Henny later on today. I think that's the one right there with the black top. We're about to break a bottle in your house. I think so. Fuck, you're the one who looked at it. I just told my boy to transfer it. It's stick shift? No. Oh shit. Lit. Supercharging this bitch. Yep. Open. The door's open. Hey. Clothies, no leather. So you know bitches are gonna have stained your shit.
Damn, that nigga's fucking
125 point inspection in 12 hours reconditioning. That's what it is. Damn, this shit is fucking hot as a bitch in this shit.
Put some tar on my fucking.
Come on, me.
Right, nigga.
That's lit. We could take this off for a test drive, but wait for Syed. Yeah, we can. You're really, what the fuck's up with this? Like, you look like a beaner. This guy's gonna lift it like 700 feet up in the air. This is nice, yo. There's no running boards on this shit. Yo, get this Rubicon. Fuck that. Look at this. This is much nicer, yo. This is nice, yo. Black and red, bro. Everything. Man. No, man. Yo, right here. This Rubicon is nice.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not stick shift. Dame la mano. So guys, this offer was horrible. We're not even showing what it is. CarMax did not do any justice for my boy at all. I feel bad for him. We came, hello Aurora, come here. It's a nice looking car. They don't think it is because it's hooked up. You know, this was bound to happen, this offer. I'm not showing it because it's a disgrace. Fuck that offer. Let it fly away. Go pick up your offer. So guys, if you are interested in a TSX that is stick shift, it needs some body work, but yet again, motor, the whole front end has been changed. Tie rods, linkages, axles, everything has been done. He has all the receipts for it, and as well as everything. Has an exhaust. It is a 6-speed. So if you guys are interested in this car, the car is up for sale. I will be putting a link to where it's up. He is asking $35,000. It does come with another set of wheels. The price is negotiable, so if you guys are interested in anybody who is looking for a TSX, hit up my boy or hit me up, and from there we'll take it. It's in good condition, not that bad, so you know, there's a lot of clothes in there and a nice B. But other than that, that's the video for today. Thank you CarMax for a horrible offer. Steven is not happy with CarMax. He's mad at CarMax. It's still a piece of shit car though, but not really. Hey, do a burnout for us.
I gotta get home.
Like, I gotta get home.
Fucking do a burnout, she'll break down.
I can see this car ripping in two. Alright guys, so that was for today. See you guys later.